One of the first things to revisit is how your spending compares to your original plan. Are you still drawing the same percentage from your portfolio each year? Has that amount crept up or dipped down? Have things like travel, healthcare, or support for your family changed the way you use your money? It's really easy for small lifestyle shifts to stack up. Not in a reckless way, just in the natural course of life evolving. And sometimes spending actually decreases as routines settle in. Either way, a check-in gives you the chance to see how your current lifestyle lines up with your withdrawal strategy and whether or not it makes sense to make an adjustment. It's also worth taking a look at how inflation is showing up in your day-to-day life. Not just in headlines, but in real expenses like grocery bills, insurance premiums, property taxes. Even a modest increase in annual costs, if left unaddressed, can chip away at the sustainability of your plan over time. So a checkup can help surface the question, is your income strategy still designed to keep up with rising costs over the next 10, 15, or 20 years? That doesn't mean chasing high returns. Sometimes it's just about making sure your spending plan has built-in flexibility so you can adapt gradually without stress. Taxes are another area that's worth reviewing regularly, especially in your early 70s. Once you reach RMD age or required minimum distribution age, typically age 73, the IRS is going to require you start taking a minimum amount out of all of your retirement accounts, and those withdrawals are going to be taxed as income. So it's not just about this year's tax bill, it's about how those distributions might affect your Medicare premiums, your future taxes, or even your ability to leave money to your heirs. So you might ask, should I start withdrawals early to spread the tax impact over time? Are there charitable giving strategies that could offset some of that income? Would converting some of my IRA funds to a Roth IRA now create more flexibility down the line? These questions don't need to be answered all at once, but they're easier to plan for if you start early. Let me give you a simple example that reflects what a lot of retirees experience. Imagine a couple who retired in their mid-60s with around $3 million saved in retirement accounts. They started with a 4% withdrawal rate, and everything looked solid on paper. But over time, a few things changed. Their healthcare premiums increased, they began traveling more, and they began giving more money to their kids and grandkids. None of it was extreme, but together it added up. Eventually, their annual withdrawals crept above the level they had originally planned for. So a mid-retirement checkup, in this case, might simply prompt a few small adjustments, reviewing the order of withdrawals for better tax efficiency, scaling back on investment risk if appropriate, and creating a more flexible withdrawal range based on market conditions. The goal wouldn't be to cut back their lifestyle completely, just to realign it with a plan that reflects what's actually happening now. So when is the right time to do a checkup like this? If it's been more than a year since you last reviewed your retirement plan in detail, that's a pretty good place to start. Other natural points include after a big life change, like moving, downsizing, some health issue, or the loss of a spouse. Another good time is when you turn 73 to plan for your RMDs, after significant market volatility or a year of unusually high or unusually low spending. But really, a once-a-year rhythm is often enough to keep things on track. It doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be intentional. This kind of review isn't about being perfect, it's about staying in sync with your life as it changes. Sometimes the numbers still work, but the plan no longer reflects your values. Sometimes you find you're better positioned than you originally thought. And sometimes it's just good to know you're still on track, with clarity and with confidence. If you'd like more retirement income insights like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to take a closer look at how your current plan fits the next phase of your retirement, you can visit our website at haywoodwealth.com to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hi, my name is Justin Haywood, founder of Haywood Wealth Management. And if you're interested in learning about how we help our clients live their retirement to the fullest, visit us at haywoodwealth.com. Thank you so much.